looking at Unique Specialty and Classics 1930 Chevrolet Model AD Universal or Universal AD. You'll hear them called. As you can see, four-door. Underneath the hood, inline six, 3.2 liter, 194 cubic inches. Of course, that's paired up with a manual transmission. Let's take a look at the front. Chrome and bright work. Headlight buckets. Bumper. As you can see, paint. There's a few spots. You have a little bit of touch up here and there. I would call this kind of an antique burgundy and black combination. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. Interior, as I'd call it a light brown, medium brown cloth. We'll check it out a little closer when we get around to the driver's side. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. One thing to remember, we do consider trades here. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, but consult with your sales associate first when you call in or email. You can see the rear window shade through the back glass, spare tire rear mounted. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, on these, similar to the Fords, you would have the vinyl roof to it, portion of it being metal and the rest vinyl. Let's go ahead and take a peek at the back seat, show you the room in this. Fun car for parades, a little Sunday cruise for ice cream, or just your local roll-ins or car shows. As you can see, interior shows well. This car is in the same family since the early 80s, and they restored it throughout the years, and it was just time for it to go. Wasn't driven as much as they used to. Decided somebody else should enjoy it. Take a look at the headliner, also in nice shape. Now, I want to show you something. The tumbler on this ignition switch was broke. Very tough to find. Easiest solution is what they did is they put in a toggle switch to engage the ignition. So we're going to turn that on. Of course, the starter is down on the floor. The throttle right up here and choke. I'm not going to choke it. We're indoors. It's warm enough. I'm going to pull the throttle out just a tad. And let's go ahead and hit the starter. Okay, make sure you get the switch the right way. That's the right way. We'll give it a little bit of choke. There we go. So it did need a little bit of choke. And the throttle response is nice. Throttle it back down just a tad. Make sure we're neutral. I'm going to step around behind so you hear it run. Whoops, and we'll take a look at the engine bay here in a second too. There you hear it run. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me open up the hood and we'll go from there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's a peek at that engine bay. Again, inline six-cylinder, 3.2 liter, or 194 cubic inches. Like I said, one we don't see every day around here, 1930 Chevrolet Model AD, Universal or Universal AD. give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. We're going to take you right to it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Double check with your sales associate when you call or email.